A plank AB of mass 12 kg and length 3 meter is in equilibrium. So this time he is not told. Okay, so let's again draw a plank AB of 12 kg and length 3 meters. So AB length is 3 meters. It is in equilibrium in a horizontal position resting on the support C and D, where AC is 0.7 and DB is 1.1. That means D is on the other side, or is it is on the same side? He's telling it's a plank AB. Plank AB means it will not be extended, right? It has to be on the inside itself. So D point is somewhere here, such that DB length is 1.1 meters, and C point is somewhere here, such that AC distance is 0.7. Okay. A boy of mass 32 kgs stands. So supports are there. Supports means we'll have upper reactions. So we'll have RC and RD. These are the support reactions. Now a boy of mass 32 kg is standing on the plank at point E. And when he's standing at E, the plank is about to tilt about D. That means it is tilting about the point. Sorry. Tilt about the point D means it will tilt about this point, right? By modeling the plank as a uniform rod. Okay, now he is telling it is a uniform rod. So weight will be acting at the midpoint. And weight is how much? It's 12 kgs. So 12g will be the weight. And the boy is standing at a point E. Calculate the distance AE. If it has to tilt about the point D, then surely he has to stand here, right? Correct?
Yes.
And this total distance we have to take it as X. Okay.
Yes.
So X is the distance he is asking us to find. So when it is tilting about D, RC value becomes 0. Correct?
Yes.
And the boy is weighing how much? 32 kgs. So 32g is the weight of the ball. So let us go ahead and now I can directly take moment, sum of moments about point D, because we are not interested in finding the value of RD. We can directly go that way. So this is equal to, let's start with 12g. 12g distance is MD. How much is MD? MD can be taken as MB minus DB, correct?
Yes.
DB length is given, MB length is half. Half means 1.5 minus DB 1.1, so 0.4. So 0.4 we have to take here, and it will be rotating in anti-clockwise, so plus. Then the boy is weighing 32g. The distance is DE. How to find DE? AD distance is known now. AD distance is not known. D to E distance. DB distance is known. Give me a minute.
Okay.
So DE can be written as DB minus EB. है ना?
Yes.
And EB can be written as total length AB minus X. DB is 1.1. EB can be written as a bracket AB minus X, right? So
Yes.
1.1 minus AB. AB length is 3. And if you open the brackets, this becomes plus X. So X minus 1.9, no?
Yes.
So this is the value of DE. and this one will go in this direction, that means clockwise minus. So total should be equal to 0. Now here let us substitute the values. So negative term sent to the other side. So 12g 0.4, we get 32g into DE. DE value we just now found it, x minus 1.9. So g will cancel on both sides and we are left with the value of x. So let's find the value of x. So 12 into 0.4, this needs to be divided by 32, and then we have to add 1.9 to this, so 2.05, and all the distances are given in meters, so this will also be in meters. Okay.
Yes.